Blue Shark ta' madwar 3 metri li tnejn daħal fix-xatt ta' Pembroke aktarx salva, kif wara sigħat ta' ħidma b'dedikazzjoni minn Shark Club Malta u l-Malta National Aquarium għamil barra mill-ġdid. Il-kelb il-baħar ta' sess femminili u btul ta' madwar 3 metri derajjen ħafna u l-mewġ kompla jimbuttaħ mill-ġdid fuq il-blat, kif jispjega Greg Newell minn Shark Club Malta li damħin twili prova jgħin biex dan joħroġ fil-miftuħ u jkun jista' jgħum.
It looked fairly weak, but the problem that it was too far up the rocks. The water that was coming in wasn't enough to actually lift it and move it and get it back into the water. So I took my phone out of my pocket, took my wallet out of my pocket, took my keys out of my pocket and popped down and then started to physically manhandle the shark back into the water. After about 15 or so minutes, managed to get the shark into the water, but the swell in the bay area at Pembroke was very strong, and although the shark was trying to swim to actually get out of the bay, the strength of the waves was simply pushing it back onto the rocks. And it moved a little bit further down the bay and then got stuck on some shallow rocks again.
Wara madwar satejn il-kelb il-baħar ħareġ fil-beraħ fejn jista' jgħum u dan hu sinjal pożittiv għalkemm hu diffiċli wieħed jgħid jekk dan hux se jgħix. Jidher li minn barra l-għajja u ftit brix minħabba l-blat, il-kelb il-baħar kellu biss qasma fuq wiċċu.
I would like to think that once it actually made its way into deep water, it stood a good chance of surviving, in which case it would just continue to head out into deeper water. Normally blue sharks, if they're sighted, tend to be 5-10 plus miles away from the shoreline. They're a pelagic species, they travel the open sea, highly migratory, basically following schools of fish. They eat small fish, they're not a danger to people.
Min jixtieq jgħin lil Shark Club Malta jista' jagħmel dan b'donazzjoni minima ta' 25 euro. Din tappoġġja li din laqda mhux governattiva li l-membri tagħha jaħdmu b'mod volontarju billi jżuru l-pixkerija u jiġbru l-bajt ta' klieb il-baħar li jkunu nqabdu mis-sajjieda. Wara proċess bir-reqqa l-volontiera jgħinu biex il-klieb il-baħar ifaqsu u jinħelsu mill-ġdid.